In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the Zoho Mail desktop app. It's important to keep your applications up to date to ensure you're benefiting from the latest features, improvements, and security updates. Updating your Zoho Mail app is usually a quick and straightforward process, but it's always good to know how to confirm that you're running the latest version. Let's walk through the steps you'll need to follow. First, you'll want to open your Zoho Mail desktop application. This may seem obvious, but the update process starts right here. Once the app is open, directing your attention toward the top left corner of the application is your next move. There, you'll notice the Zoho Mail logo and the option labeled as Desktop. This is essentially your gateway to the application's settings and further options. Your next task is to click on the Zoho Mail Desktop area. This will reveal a drop-down menu featuring various options related to your application's configuration and general information. Now, what you're looking for is an option that says something along the lines of "Check for updates," or maybe it'll read "About" if you're using a different version. These options provide critical information about your application's current version. Once you've clicked on the relevant option, the app will either start checking for updates automatically, or it'll present you with the current version details. If you're on the latest version, you'll probably receive a message letting you know that everything is up to date. However, if an update is indeed available, a prompt will appear, encouraging you to download and restart the application. At this point, you'll want to download the update. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the download. Once downloaded, the application might require you to restart it. This ensures that all the newest enhancements and features are correctly installed and operational. Remember, while Zoho Mail Desktop generally updates in the background without requiring manual intervention, checking manually from time to time is a good practice. It ensures that nothing has fallen through the cracks and all the latest patches and improvements are in place. By staying updated, not only do you ensure optimal performance, but you also enhance your application's security, effectively reducing vulnerability to potential threats. There you have it. By following these steps, you can confidently ensure that your Zoho Mail desktop app is always running smoothly with the latest updates. Keeping applications like this updated is a small investment of time that pays off by maintaining performance and security in the long run. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.